In this part of the lesson, I just want to talk about creating our own sketch library. Okay, so we have our sketches, pre-made JCD light sketches in, for example, our ring shanks library. We have some. Okay, but often we have created our own sketches that we cannot find in here. And it can be a good idea to save these into our own custom library for use on later projects. Okay, so earlier on in this lesson we created this pear halo and we created a custom sketch for our halo. So let me come back to this sketch. Okay, so this was the sketch here. Now we can save this into our own custom library by coming into the sketch history . Okay, so I'm going to highlight everything and then right click, copy to the clipboard, base point the origin, confirm. Okay, we can exit back out now. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file now, and I'm going to be using this standalone sketch option. I'll name the file, let's say personal sketch library. Okay, now the standalone sketch option is going to create a file and then create a sketch in the root level of that file. Confirm. Okay, so we come straight into a sketch environment. I'm going to right click, paste this halo sketch, paste it in here. Okay, so now when I exit back out into my root environment, we can see our sketch here. Okay, so it's like a usual file, except we have no part, we just have a sketch. Okay, now I'm going to add in some more sketches. Let me just rename this halo sketch. Okay, so in some previous lessons, the braid pendant, we had a custom sketch to sweep around a curve. Let's come back and grab that sketch. In the same way, highlight it all, copy from the base point, come back into our personal sketch library, create a new sketch. We'll call this one 4-arc sketch. Right click, paste it in, exit back out into our root. Okay, so here are our sketches. Let's bring in another one. We had a custom sketch in this lesson, the concave pave band. Let's bring them all to stop up back to that sketch. Okay, it was that first one. We'll edit the sketch, window pick, right click, copy, base point, insert another sketch, say concave sketch, concave shank sketch, right click, paste. There it is. Okay, so we have some sketches in our own personal library here. Let's save it. We'll save it into our designs. Okay, now say, I'm going to exit out of these first of all actually. But say we create a new part. Okay. Now we want to call up one of our designs from our personal sketch library. We can do it in one of two ways. We can come in the same way that we were copying pasting before. We can just come in and window pick, copy into a sketch, now a new part. Okay, alternatively, another way to do this is we can come into the edit drop down menu, copy an external sketch. Okay, we use this folder icon to navigate to our personal sketch library. personal sketch library. Here we see our 3 sketches. We can turn on a preview, see the one that we want. We can give it a new name if we want to. Confirm, then we place it on a plane. Use central defined by plane. And there is our sketch brought in. Okay, and then we can do what we want with it. Okay, so this is quite a useful thing to have, is to build up your own personal sketch library so that you can use your sketches in multiple designs and save time that way. In a similar way, you can also build up your own parts library, your own library of components that you can come in and add to designs.